Prostrate. That's right. A lot of people call that body part a prostrate. But it's not a prostrate, guys. Do you know what I'm talking about? Guys and girls, by the way. I'm actually talking about the prostate gland. Of course, that's only in men, but so many people actually call it the prostrate with an R. Well, guys, it doesn't have an R in it. No R in this word. Today we are talking about seven health words that are commonly mispronounced. Prostrate is probably one of the biggest ones that I see. I'm Dr. Jen Cuddle. I'm a practicing family doctor, on-air health expert and video creator. By the way, put the words, health words you often hear mispronounced in the description. Also, hang out till the end because I got a really special word that I want to share with you that's often mispronounced that kind of makes me chuckle every time. All right, next word is prescription. I'm a doctor. I'm going to give you a prescription, right? Well, what do I often hear people say? I often hear them say prescription, P-E-R instead of P-R-E. We're writing a prescription, not a prescription. The next one is, okay, we got diabetes here, right? You guys know what diabetes is. It is a condition that affects the pancreas, insulin, sugar, you name it, all sorts of stuff. And the way we say it, and this is the word, is diabetes. But what do I often hear? Well, I often hear diabetes, as though there's a T-U-S at the end, and it's not. It's a T-E-S, diabetes, not diabetes. Now, I also have to say, I often affectionately hear the term, the sugar. You got the sugar. And by the way, I'll never argue with that because I have lots of family members that say that. Or sugar diabetes, which is also adorable as well. But it's diabetes, not diabetes, okay? All right, we are moving on to, let's see here, number 4. This word, Alzheimer's disease. I know you guys have heard about it. This is a neurological condition. It's a common cause of dementia, memory loss, and other loss of function. What do I hear some of my patients say? Well, this is adorable too. I've heard many people say and call it old-timers disease, which doesn't, it's not entirely, we often think about Alzheimer's happening in older people. So maybe I can kind of understand that, but old-timers, it is not. It is Alzheimer's, the form of dementia. Okay, we are counting down. Let's see here. This next one, Kagel, okay? If you've never heard of this word, when we say Kagel, we're actually talking about Kagel exercises. These are the exercises often we prescribe to women to do to tighten things up down there after they have babies or have other conditions going on, okay? But what do I often hear people say instead of the word Kagel? And by the way, it's spelled this way, even though we pronounce it Kagel. They say Kegel. They call it Kegel exercises, which makes sense. There's an E in there, so I get that. But it is not Kegel. Alas, it is Kegel. We're down to the final 2, guys. Let's see here. Acid reflux. This is also another word for heartburn or gastroesophageal reflux disease. What do I hear some of my patients say? I hear them say acid reflex, okay? Interesting spin, but it's not acid reflex. It is acid reflux with a U. And the final word that I hear people mispronounce, it's not a health word, but it's my word, it's my name, it's Cuddle, and you'll never believe, or maybe you will, believe how people mispronounce my name. They call me all sorts of things, which I know they just mispronounce, but the sweetest and most adorable names I get called to Cuddle is Cuddle or Cuddles. So I'll often have patients call and they'll say, is Dr. Cuddle there? Or can I make an appointment with Dr. Cuddles? And for any of you who call me Dr. Cuddle or Dr. Cuddles, I will never be mad at that because it's adorable. Anyway, guys, I am Dr. Cuddle, Dr. Jen. I am a practicing family physician. Thanks for hanging out with me. Write in the comments what health words you have heard commonly mispronounced. I'd like to know. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel and clicked the little bell for updates, please do. I do daily health videos. Guys, I'll see you soon.